here's another bit of furniture that Outwell very kindly sent us to review and have a look at. I saw this when they invited me over to their showroom to look at the new 2020 season of stuff. This is the Catamarca, the Outwell Catamarca. Now, it's a chair, and as you see, it looks like many chairs you get. It comes in a bag with a carrying strap, everything else. But this is not a single chair. This is what they call a Catamarca Sofa. It's actually a double, and I thought that's pretty good because you're getting twice the amount of seating for pretty much the same size as a normal sort of collapsible chair. So I think that's very good. You can certainly cut down on the amount of things that you need to put in your car when you go to the campsite. So open this up for the first time, and as you can see, this is a very large single chair. Now I'm going to put this over here. So there we are. We've got it set up in this side wing of the tent. Of course, you use side wing for all sorts of things. Storage, great place to put some storage, but also a good place to sit. You've got the windows, you can look around. Although we're in our back garden camp at the moment, so we know what the view is. Yeah, so it's pretty much like a lot of the foldable chairs. You've got an arm thing here with a drinks holder. You've got one on both sides, and of course, it's room for two. So I think it's really good. I mean, it just feels like a normal sort of comfortable chair that folds out. We got the lantern here on the Outwell tent hanging system here, so we've been able to position this over here. This is the Sargass lantern, so that makes a nice little seating area in the corner of your tent. Put a little blanket and a throw over the top as well in case it gets chilly at night, and it's a perfect little spot actually. Also, it's great for sitting outside the tent. We've got a porch with this tent, and it's a great place to put a chair like this there, so it's you're out of the wind if there is a wind, and create a nice little sun trap and a lovely little spot just to sit and relax and chill out. So there we go, the Catamarca. So far, so good.